I just cracked the code. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharon. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. It is a Vpart wig and I have absolutely no leave out. But here's the thing though, we did the crochet method and I think I cracked the code. I mean, the code was probably already cracked, but I finally cracked it for myself because I'm like slow at cracking codes. So if you slow at cracking codes like me, then it's for you. Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from AliPearl. Let's get into the gold box. They had typical goodies in there, but they did have a compact mirror, which I thought was kind of cute. And now let's get into the wig. So this is their 20-inch curly wig. This is a V-part wig. It has the typical construction, combs around the V-part, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. One more look at the texture before I co-wash, and I'll be back.
Hey y'all, so I co-washed the wig and let it air dry. Look at how gorgeous this is. So pretty. So pretty. Like, are you crazy? Gorgeous. So I am going to do I'm going to attempt to do the crochet method with this. The reason why I say attempt is because this is like a looser curl pattern. Why am I yelling? I have a mic on. Calm down. This is a looser texture. So I don't know how the crochet method would fare because I've never tried it with like this type of a curl pattern. So we are going to see if it will look nice. They do kind of have this wig like with this like situation in the front where it's like you would have to cut it. I don't know why they did that. That's like, who asked for this? I'm just gonna slice her right here in the center. Now it has like this like extra situation in the front. I really don't know why they did that. Yeah, so I'll cut those little pieces off. Okay, so this is my braid pattern. I have, these are going to be like my anchor braids, these two right here, and then these two are going to be the braids that I crochet the hair into because I'm trying to like make the braid as small as possible so that way it looks a little bit more natural. But this is all just a test. We're going to see. So let's pop her on and get to doing the crochet method.
So let me tell you, all this time that I've been installing Vpart wigs and using the crochet method, I've been doing it like a regular crochet method, like as if you were crocheting like hair throughout your whole hair. I've been knotting it, and I was like, let me see just how the girls are doing this and not having to knot it. So I did it the same way I'm doing it right here, put the hair on and I pulled it through and then I just left it. And I was like, how are they getting this to lay down? This doesn't make any sense. So I was like, I'm going to have to knot it in order to have it lay. I'm going to have to continue to do it that way because I don't understand how they are crocheting the hair through and it just laying down flat. Like, what? I don't get it. So all this time, like I said, I've been doing it this way, crocheting the hair through, putting it through the loop, knotting it like normal, like how you would if you were doing like any type of crochet braid style, right? So I did that side. Then when it was time to go to the other side, to do the other side, I somehow did something different and I was like, so watch this.
This way, and this one like this, and then pulling it through. Oh, is that it? No. Is that the way? This way, and then taking the hair, putting it on the thing, closing it, and then pulling it through. Oh my God. Is this way? So what way was I doing it on the other side? And I think I was going this way and then pulling it out. So you gotta go up, put the hair on, and then pull it back through. Oh, I just cracked the code. Oh, snap. And like this, taking the hair, putting it on a hook, closing it, pulling it through. Genius, genius, genius. Don't even play around. This is like the smartest thing ever. Oh my God, this is so smart. This is so smart. I will go back in and fix the other side, but I don't got time. I gotta go to work. I hate this mousse. I'm so sorry. This blueberry what is it? The blueberry bliss is the worst mousse I've ever used in my whole life. It's like absolutely awful. Wow, I actually feel like an idiot. Look at how nice this side looks. It's like effortless. Okay, so this is the final look. This looks so good. This side much better than this side in terms of like it laying down, but this side looks more natural than this side. Like this side you could see every piece where I like crocheted in. It's not like bad looking, but I feel like this side looks a little bit more natural. It's just not laying as good, whereas this side is laying to perfection, but like this doesn't look as good as that side. But how genius is that? Like I was crocheting it in completely wrong on the other side, and I'm like, how do the girls get this to really like lay flat without knotting it? Like I don't understand, because the way I was crocheting it in, it was sticking up. I'm like, what is going on? And then when doing this side, obviously it's a different like, just like, well, I mean, if you do something on this side, you could do it the same way on this side, but I just somehow ended up putting the needle upward, crocheting the needle, sticking the needle through the braid upward, and then putting the hair on and then pulling it through. And it just was like, oh, that's laying down. How is that not sticking up? And I'm like, wait, was I putting the needle down this way on the other side? And I was. So the trick is to crochet it and sticking the needle through the braid, going upwards, putting the hair on, and then pulling it back through, going downwards like that. And the same for the other side, putting the needle in through the braid, going upwards, putting the hair on the latch, closing it, pulling it downward. And it just lays so nicely. I'm like dumbfounded that like all of this time I've been doing it the wrong way and having to knot it so it'll like stay in place. Like, oh my gosh, game changer. So if you dumb like me and you've been doing it the wrong way, then the correct way is what I just said. I'm not gonna like explain it again, but like, oh my gosh, that's a game changer. But let's get into the wig. Listen, the curl pattern is gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. And at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous because I'm like, I want the curl pattern, but like, I don't know how I'm supposed to make this work with like a no leave out kind of a moment, because I wasn't sure how the hair was gonna lay using like the crochet method with this looser texture, because I've only ever done it with like a more like, you know, just like a little bit of a tighter curl. So I was a little bit like, I don't know, like we're gonna see, this is an experiment, but it came out super cute. I think it looks really nice. I love this curl pattern. I can't say that enough. It's so pretty. And I love the length too. I feel like that just kind of like adds to it, having the length and the curl pattern. It looks so pretty. At first I thought I was gonna have to go in and like cut some stuff, but I actually like the way it looks, just like all one length. I think it looks really pretty like that. Hair quality is good. This hair is really beautiful and luscious and soft, and like even as you saw when I was like trying to redefine the parts that kind of like got a little bit frizzy, it, you know, recurled and took with no issue. Like this is just like some really good quality hair. So yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've done like a Vpart wig video, and when AliPearl reached out to me, it was like near and dear to my heart, because they are the first company who ever like sponsored me or whatever like on this channel. So you know, I had to spin a block. Like I just was like, of course. This is a super cute wig from AliPearl. If you are interested, I will have all of the links to the wig and company down in the description box. Once again, thanks so much to AliPearl for collaborating with me on today's video. I truly appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.